What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. D-Cycle here on a Monday morning, and a beautiful one at that. It's just a shame it's supposed to get up to the 90s this week, but you know what? As long as it's no rain, we can ride. So, why am I looking forward to this week? Why am I looking forward to nice weather this week? Well, this week is Great Egret's Route 66 trip. He will start leaving today to make his trek down Route 66, which so happens to run through the town I work in. So I've got a really cool day planned with him. We're going to do some dual vlogging. That should be pretty cool. I haven't done that yet. I've been wanting to ever since, you know, I started motovlogging. But I do have I think he's going to enjoy his time in this area. We're gonna ride all day. We're gonna go down to the River Road, and we'll have a little breakfast before we leave Litchfield. And I'm really looking forward to it. And if you guys haven't checked out Great Egret's channel, go up here, watch his videos, subscribe to his channel. He's a really good motovlogger. He just hit 1,000 subscribers, so congratulations, Great Egret. Job well done, well deserved. And speaking of YouTube channels, I'm just about to break the 250 subscriber barrier, and that's amazing because, you know, just a little over 2 weeks ago we just hit 200 subs, and I am overjoyed with that number right now. And it was weird and awesome at the same time because I got home from work last week. It's probably been about a week, maybe I don't know, 4 or 5 days ago, and I open up my YouTube app on my phone and I see that I've got all these comments on one of my latest videos. So I'm scrolling through them, and they all say the same thing. They say DDFM crew supports you, and it took me a second. I'm like, DDFM, that's Dan the Fireman. And if you guys aren't familiar with Dan the Fireman, he is a motovlogger from, I think, Tucson, Arizona. And he is he's a pretty big name in the motovlogging community. And his big thing is motorcycle safety. He's always got safety tips. He's doing safety videos, and he's even gonna become a motorcycle instructor pretty soon. So that's amazing. Good on him. But anyway, I went to Dan the Fireman's page to see, you know, where all this was coming from. And I was scrolling through his latest live video that he was streaming that afternoon, and I kind of scrolled back, and then it looked like he did some sort of subscriber giveaway where at the same time a subscriber could win some free merch from him, but also he was promoting a small YouTube channel. And while I'm here, I want to thank subscriber Ty Everson, man. Thank you very much. He actually referred me to Dan the Fireman, and I was the one that he picked for this contest. So thank you, Ty. Thank you, Dan the Fireman. I appreciate it, and I have seen really good growth since I got that little bump in promotion for my channel. We're just about to 250. Like I said earlier, we just hit 200 like 2 weeks ago. So for my channel, and I've been motovlogging since February, that's pretty good growth in a couple of weeks. Let's keep that going, guys. Let's hit that 250 mark before Friday. I think we're only about, I don't know, 5 or 6 subs shy of that 250 mark. So I'm going to be ordering some new stickers, and this is what they're going to look like. The reason I held off doing these for so long was because of the bike change. I wanted the stickers I was going to be using to reflect the bike I was riding and the current, you know, marketing scheme I'm doing for the channel, you know, the whole look and feel. So I'll be ordering these probably this week, early this week, and I don't know, hopefully within a week or so I'll have those. So if you guys would be interested, hit me up in the comments below if you would like a sticker. I'll probably charge, I don't know, $1 or $2 a sticker plus shipping. I only, I don't know, maybe $3 with shipping for a sticker. If you guys want to support the D-Cycle channel, that would be awesome. And speaking of support, I just want to let you all know that my family is participating for the 3rd year in a row in the Autism Speaks Walk in St. Louis. This is a walk that we've been to, like I said, this is our 3rd year, and we are accepting donations to the Autism Speaks walk site. You can go to the link in the description below if you would like to donate. If you would like to donate a smaller amount, you can always mail me. Just hit me up in the comments below, and if you want to help us out, great. If not, you know, no worries. So nothing else is new. I did sell my last t-shirt for my second batch of D-Cycle shirts. Thank you guys who bought shirts for this second batch. I don't know if I'm going to do a third one so quick. The second batch did take quite a while to sell, so I think I'm going to hold off for a little while until maybe if the channel grows and then I do see more interest. But of course, I'll do the newer style logo maybe, and a different shirt color. Maybe like a dark heathered gray or a black or something like that. But I don't know if you guys would be interested in a D-Cycle shirt. Since there's more of you now, let me know. I could get a second batch printed up in about a week, but like I said, I might hold off for a little while, but just let me know if any of you have any interest. So that's about all I got for today, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel if you're new here. If you've been around, thank you so much for sticking around. Please subscribe. Please hit that bell icon when you do. That way you know when videos go up, just like the one you're watching right meow. You guys take it sleazy, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.